Good morning, guys. This is Prakriti Design regarding AutoCAD webinar and final project submission and get the certificate. Okay, those who completed the AutoCAD project and yeah, those who complete the AutoCAD final project and the project will be found well and good, they will receive the certificate. It's a final project. You can see here, it's a final project. In this, you have to draw plan like it's a plan, ground floor, first floor, second floor, elevation and section, so that consider as a live project. Toilet room will be outside. Okay, it does not require to draw the toilet room. You can see here, I will take the some screenshot from this project. I will share with you guys in their group and give the link in the description also, those who are watching the video. Okay, uh, thank you for attending the webinar, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, so because now I am already uploading the video regarding this one, you can watch the video and follow the my procedure. Already 3 to 4 webinars till there. Okay, you can watch out. And one more important thing is, those who completed the project and it will be found well and good, the certificate will be given to us. And most important thing is, they will receive the license key and product ID of the AutoCAD 2000 from my side. It's the original ID and product key. You can see here. Okay, I'm not showing you that product key and license version. Okay, you can use the license version. It's the original version. I'm using the AutoCAD 2020. You can see here. Okay, you will get the some best experience from the original version. And you can see here, it's a plan. You have to draw the plan. I will already taken some screenshot here. You can watch the screenshot and draw the plan carefully. Okay, I will explain one more time. This is a plan. Consider as a school or college building. You can see here, it's a ground floor plan. Actually, I have recorded the plan. For those purpose, it will look like different. You can see it is a classroom 2, office room, classroom 3, principal room. It says that it's the opening area, or like you can park some cars, not cars, two wheelers you can park here. Okay, so it is for those teachers and staffs washrooms, ladies and gents washrooms. You have to make it separately. Okay, so you can come here. I'll show you. It is not required. It's a staircase area. You have to draw the staircase from here to here. Okay, you can see here to here. You can draw the staircase. Then you can remove this part. Does not require this part. Okay, because it will take too much. What you say is that too much area. See, you can see it's a classroom. It's a veranda. You can see it's a classroom. It's a ground floor plan. You can see. Then it is a elevation. You have to draw the elevation. You can use your mind. You can draw the elevation. I have designed like this. You can see here, doors, some designs, window design like this. For classroom, I apply the glass material and all. You can see. Then it's a second floor. You have to draw the first floor. First floor and second floor are the same. You can see here, this is the first floor design, or say it as second floor design. You have to watch out my webinar completely. You will get some idea of regarding how to submit the drawing and all. You can make the cross section also. This is not enough, guys. You have to make the cross section. You can see here, I have rotated the first floor here. You can see it's the cross section. can see here, you have to name the cross section. I'm already started the webinar regarding that naming the cross section, how to naming the cross section and all. You have to done all the type of the work. Then after you will receive the best certificate, and most important thing is you will get the license and product ID. Say it as product ID and license key for AutoCAD 2020. Those project found well and good. It's okay if it's a major issue and some normal issue and all. For a major issue, not be allowed. You can see here. So I'm already taken some screenshot. It's enough, guys, for you to design the wonderful plan. Okay, and again you have to draw a title block and all. Uh, if you attend the webinar carefully, you will get the desired certificate for you. It is just a plan. For that, I'm already shared the on plan with my students, those who attend the webinar. Okay, uh, they will get a clear idea, and I will give the link in the description also, how to make the final project and all. You can watch out, you can click the link and download some screenshot. You will get a little bit idea more. If you are not watching my webinar and you are not attending my webinar, it's not an issue, but you have to draw the plan, okay, carefully. So those who attend the webinar, they will get the certificate like this. Not attending, after completion of the webinar, you can see I'm already done all the things here. You will get the certificate like this. Okay, plan, elevation and cross section. Okay, yeah, you will get the plan, elevation and cross section. You have to draw the plan, and plan I will give. You have to draw according to the, okay, if you are changing something like, but you don't change anything like it's like p shape. It will be the p shape. Your plan also be p shape. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for attending. Hope you will get some knowledge regarding this webinar and get certificate also. It will be helpful. Those who send the plan through mail, they will definitely get the certificate. If the project will be found well and good, those project will be found well and extraordinary, they will get the product key of the AutoCAD 2020. Thank you watching. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. Please support, guys.